Hello, everybody. This is my friend Tyler Lee on. I joined a server today, and I built this town with some other people way over that way, and he built a town over here. So he does not have a mic, but he's getting Skype tomorrow, so we're going to build a road connecting the towns, and let me just message him telling him that. Ready for road construction. If I can type. And he is ready, so let's get started. Do you have some shovels? Look at that. Oh yes, and our friend Nagel is on. And like I said before, this is Tyler's server. We're actually in the framework of Tyler's house, if you see it. Tyler Leon's house, base, whatever you want to call it. So let me see if I can get a chest quick. Can I have a chest for my extra stuff? Oh, that was a silly question. So basically, we are just gonna build a road, and it's gonna be kind of far. I've seen the size of this, so we're gonna do X, big X, Brett, the King, X, big X. Enter chest. Because I got almost a full inventory of stuff, and that's not too good when you're trying to get another full inventory of stuff. People know what I mean. So we're probably going to have to chop down some trees. I know we're deforesting forest. It's a crime against humanity, right? Alright, let me tell him, let's go. And tell me how you guys can hear me. If you can hear me at all, that'd be wonderful. So I think we should start it over here. Alright, so we didn't really, this is kind of a spur of the moment, and let's get some stuff done. Oh, that failed. But basically, we're going to build our road out of stone brick. I messaged him earlier, and he's like, oh, that's going to be a challenge. I'm like, yep, that's why you'll hate me. So, doesn't look like we have enough room right here. Here, we'll just fill this back in. Alright, so basically each video that I post will be just about 10 minutes long. So, oh, I see what he's doing. place that torch back. Oh look, I got some pretty flowers. So, I'm gonna have to tell him real fast here that I'll have to quit the video and then do another one. So let me chop down this tree and then I'll do that. And bada boom, bada bing. So hold on for a second. Stop for like 10 seconds. I need to start. Need to finish. Need to stop vid and start another. Alright, see you guys.